Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install SiteGround WordPress setup for faster monetized blogs, full guide step by step clearly. To install SiteGround for your WordPress setup, start by visiting the SiteGround website. Click on the Get Started button to view the hosting plans available. Choose the plan that best fits your needs, whether it's for a personal blog or a more extensive e-commerce site. Once you select a plan, click on the Get Plan button to proceed. Next, you'll need to choose a domain name for your blog. If you already own a domain, select the option to use an existing domain. If you're registering a new domain, enter your desired name in the field provided. After entering your domain name, click Proceed to continue. Fill out the account information as requested, including your email, password, and personal details. Review the purchase information and choose any add-on services that may benefit your blog. Once you're satisfied with your selections, scroll down and enter your payment details. Click on the Pay Now button to complete your purchase. After your payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox for the email and follow the link to log in to your SiteGround account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Websites tab to initiate the WordPress installation. Select the Add New Website button to start the setup process. Choose the option to install a new WordPress site. Enter your site name and any additional details requested during the setup. Next, choose the Set Up WordPress option. You will be prompted to create your WordPress login credentials. Fill out the username and password, then click Continue. SiteGround will now begin installing WordPress on your new website. Once the installation is complete, you'll receive a notification. Click on the provided link to access your new WordPress dashboard. Log in using the credentials you created earlier. Explore the WordPress dashboard to familiarize yourself with the interface. To enhance your blog, consider installing essential plugins for SEO and performance. Search for plugins in the Plugins section and install those that align with your monetization goals. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.